Hi everyone, Brenda Sanchez, certified training partner here with Mailbox Power. And today I wanted to share our nearest neighbor automation and why or when you would use it. So I am already in Mailbox Power in my automations. You can see that on my left. And then I'm going to come up here to the right hand corner and click create a new automation. And now I'm going to call this nearest neighbor. And now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to pick this nearest neighbor. And what is a nearest neighbor automation? It will send to the 5 nearest neighbors. So imagine I'm a handyman or a solar company or a landscaper, and I'm doing work in a neighborhood. So I'm going out, we'll say to my house, and I want to reach out to the neighbors close by and say, I'm going to be in the neighborhood and I'm willing to give you a discount if you book your services at the same time. That's why you would use it. So I'm going to hit create a new automation, and then I'm going to add a shipment. Remember, you do have to have the project already saved first. And now I'm going to call this nearest neighbor. And I want it to go out immediately. And again, I'm going to hit add a saved project. And I'm going to look for my handyman. There it is. So now I have my handyman postcard already done. I'm going to hit save shipment. And now you can see I have it set. But I want to show you that you can edit a project right from here. And it will edit what's in the automation. But I want to do that so that I can show you exactly how this works, because merge fields are a little different in your nearest neighbor automation. So you won't want to use first name on the front because you're going to pick, I'm going to use the example of my address today. So I don't want it to say, Brenda, we can make your problems go away. So I'm not going to use first name on the front of this card. But on the back, you can see that I changed this and it says, we are going to be in your neighborhood next week helping the last name. So this would be Sanchez family with some projects. Since we are going to be in your neighborhood, we are offering a 10% discount if you book this week. So that's how you would use merge fields in this application using nearest neighbor. All I'm going to do is say save and return to automation. And so now you know how to use merge fields in the nearest neighbor automation. Once I'm ready to activate it, I come up here to options and activate. If I want to add 3 or 4 more cards to this, I could, again, by going to add a shipment. But I'm going to hit activate. And then I'm going to show you how to add a contact, since this works a little bit different than the other automations. I'm going to go to manage recipients. And for this one, I just want to enroll an individual contact because I'm looking for around my address or whatever address you are planning on sending to. So I'm going to look for Brenda Sanchez, and I'm going to come down here, and there I am. And then I can scroll back up and say enroll in the automation. Now I'm in the automation, and now it will do its calculations and figure out the 5 nearest neighbors to me by longitude and latitude. And within about 5 to 15 minutes, those addresses, those postcards will show up here under my order history. So that's kind of why and how you build the nearest neighbor automation.